dressed in blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this has to go super quick because my ride is here already. But today I'm going skydiving. So this is gonna be a skydiving vlog. Yeah, so I thought I gotta start living my life. I gotta move on and I gotta like focus on myself and do something I've always wanted to do. So like I told my thing about my situation I was going with, right? Venting, and she was like, messaged me like hours later and was like, we're going skydiving. And I was like, okay, say look. So today I'm gonna vlog that. So we're gonna have some fun. All right, guys, so we're how many minutes away? 10, you said? 12. 12 minutes away. Karen didn't know that it's actually my first time being on a plane. So it's 2 in 1.
Yeah.
I think that scared her a little more.
Now we just have to make it.
No, yeah, now we just have to make it. Our registration or thing is at 1:30 and it's 1:17.
And we're 12 minutes away.
But it's been a good car ride. It actually really has.
Really?
Yeah, well,
Your
I'm getting a little car sick with the swerves, but our talk was great, huh, Karen? And next, what are we doing? You said hot air balloon?
Yes.
Hot air balloon, swimming with sharks, everything. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We're here?
Oh my gosh, we're here.
Oh my god.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is it, yeah.
Oh my god.
You have to jump out of a plane now.
They still have to take us in a shuttle somewhere?
I don't know, man. I don't even know where to park. Oh my gosh, we're here. This is it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is it.
I'm not nervous right now, but once we get on the plane, I'm gonna be so nervous. Also because I've never been on a plane. Karen's like, we're jumping out of an airplane. I'm like, I'm getting on an airplane. Oh my god.
Please let us check you.
I know. Well, like, you're like a minute late.
Yeah, we're already seated.
It's just so exciting. Alright, so we got our free shirts, we got our IDs. We just need to suit up now. Everybody here is just acting so normal and so chill, and me and Karen are like freaking out. That's where they're gonna suit us up. And then the plane is over there, and then yeah. Alright guys, so part of suiting up was like, I just decided to go put my phone away in the car. Because like right after that, we were going to get on the plane and I didn't have like time to be suited up and then go. So this next footage is the actual moment of everything.
What? Who says that? Hello.
Hi!
What you up to today?
I'm gonna go skydiving.
Let the people know how you feeling. Anything for the friends and family out there?
I'm feeling so nervous.
Sick.
But...
Me too.
No, I'm feeling so nervous, but I've always wanted to do this, so I'm super excited.
Wonderful.
Yeah. And
Cool.
Mom, I love you.
This is my first time. I think it's yours too.
Oh, it's your first time.
Yeah, so we'll see how it goes, alright? See you guys later. Woo! Dia! Yeah. We'll let them go first. feeling?
I feel great. I feel
You did
alive.
awesome.
Free.
Thank you so much for coming out to Skydive San Diego.
Thank you.
Much appreciated. Yay! Thank you
Love
too.
sister.
Yes, you guys did awesome.
Yeah, I like kind of formed like a little crush on my instructor. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna let y'all know more tomorrow when I have more energy, like how it felt. But all I know is like I felt so free. Like that, I've never been that happy in my life. So definitely recommend you guys going skydiving 110%. Can we please help me find my instructor? His name is Luis. Like, girls, y'all know what to do. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Basically, the experience was pretty thrilling. I totally recommend you going, and it was all around fun. Just like in general, just to get out and just kind of do something very like risky. Like, it was just spontaneous. I told my tia about like everything that I was going through, and then I was just like, she asked me to go, and I was just like, yeah, sure, why not? And it's something I've always wanted to do. I just didn't get to it. So I totally recommend it. I would love to go again with a group of friends because that would be like so much fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Found me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.